TROG vlogs back, baby! Woo! Dougie!
Everybody get the out of the way! I just lost oil pressure! Trump Daddy, help me out, baby! Made it!
That was a close one.
I actually have no oil pressure. Got the honch down at the shop, and it's time to tear this apart. Head's been sitting here for months, not months, like probably 3 weeks. They were in the machine shop longer. Yeah, I don't even. The last time we left off, we were waiting for the heads, right?
Yeah.
They were down there for like 2 months. That cubicles. So yeah, we got brand spanking new heads. All right, no.
I created a monster, because nobody wants to see the honcho no more. They want the dually, it's top level.
Guess who's back, again. Roscoe's back. Tell your mom, hey, guess who's back. You're on probably. We got the carburation in Roscoe. Intakeration.
Look at that, Johnson. Yeah. Oh, yo! Shout out to right here, up here.
Shout out West Hen for getting me the carb. You know, good deal. He's got a nasty Volvo wagon. I forget what year it is. I don't know, late 80s, 90s, probably late 90s. He put it to 350 swap. Thing's nasty. I tried this carb, didn't like it, took it right off, but thing's basically brand new. So he hooked me up. I got this Johnson from Arizona.
Intake on her.
Got all my stuff and headers back here.
Edelbrock.
Yeah. We'll be trogging.
Beautiful.
She doesn't. Oh, there she goes.
Oh, brother, trying to work over here.
So tear down begins right now. Labeling some stuff, took a bunch of pictures, make it easy for myself, you know. God, this thing is disgusting. Perfect. Everyone's gone. It's exactly what I wanted. Now I can actually get some done, okay? You guys are just holding me up, taking up my time, what I got to do. Cody, where are you? I need your assistance. Now! Yeah, my hair's a mess, I know. Okay? Get a fresh cut tomorrow. Good, you know? The ladies, nobody's stopping me. Nobody! I think I'm going crazy. Roscoe! Hey, Blue, why aren't you using an impact gun? Because it doesn't fit, alright? It doesn't fit. I tried. Swivel, extensions, these ones, it don't fit. Yeah, but the other ones, the one in the back will fit. No, it won't! Okay? Any more stupid questions? Yeah. This is great. This is great. The last one. All the way right there. Had a bunch of schmutz. Had a little bit of schmutz going on in there, huh? And she just wanted, the bolt wanted to take a little layer off. Just a little layer from the schmutz. So a 9/16 won't get it. Neither will 14. 1/2 inch won't fit. 13 won't fit. Hey, Roscoe, this is your fault. Go lie down. Okay, we got a man down. I got the bolt out. We have a man down. We got a man down. No. Doctor! Get her. Clear the table. Clear the table. Clear. It's not working. It's all right. It's okay. Oh. Oh, it's not. It's okay, buddy. We're gonna bring you back. This is the right way to do things here. Let's see if we can give one of these bad Larrys a little something. I forgot how I did this in the last one. I'm gonna totally slice my hand open on the fan shroud. Oh, and there she goes. See, easy as that. You don't have to hit it with a hammer. Actually, you know what? That definitely loosened it up good. Over the years, I've learned a lot. You know, there's a lot of different noises that help removing heavy objects out from awkward positions. This one, right here, has never failed me. Let me just do one of these. All right. Maybe one of those. How about one of these? Okay. It's all about positioning. Get yourself as uncomfortable as possible. All right? You just gotta. Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh my God, there's hot coolant. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got it. I got it. I got it. I'm gonna need another one. Woo! That's the best one around. Let's take a look at what's going on in here. So I guarantee it ain't pretty. Looks good. All right. Got the old exhaust off the manifolds. You know, did that the right way. Put the old 3/4 inch impact on there and just broke them bolts right off. That was easy. No, the manifolds not so much. Most of the bolts on that side are rounded right off. And this side I got all of them out but one actually, believe it or not. Not too bad, you know, for a poor white guy. Probably gonna go home and get my, get the old Blue Point special extractor 9000 sockets. We're gonna come back to this in a little while. We're going back to the shop. It's the morning, and oh my God, I forgot the sockets at my house. We're going back to my house because I forgot the sockets at my house. One of my friends is coming to buy a trailer this morning, even though we're closed. My boy, I'm gonna sell him a trailer. It's a sick trailer. I'll show you the trailer. It's a nice trailer. It's a red trailer. It's a big trailer. Alright, before we get to the shop, shout out to Sweem, Daddy Supreme, no sour cream. Alright, that's my boy. See that? You see how that works? Look at this nifty little guy. That's Johnson. Had an old exhaust brake on the old girl. Oh! No, a little spring action over here. Doesn't work. This thing's all flopping around like a loose. Why do I do this? Why do I do this? Why? Snap-on truck comes Fridays. We're closed today, but I'm down at the shop, and he pulls in anyways, like a douche. You know, just trying to rape little children. And I bought this, Johnson, because why not? You know, it's only money. We'll make some more. My junk light just died already because it's a piece of garbage. Bolts are all out. Heads are ready to come off. And y'all know what that means. Yeah, y'all know what that means. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah. Ah. Oh. phone is like way better at this. I think when Eric slammed me on the roof, my camera got like really messed up or something. And she just she hasn't been the same. So yeah, those sick rims, new exhaust, painted the frame. Welcome to the fleet, honey. This is 10 in the B laser. No, oh, new rims, bro. I forgot. We gotta show them new rims. Look at them titties. Looks a lot better than all four of them are on. But he's got major brake problems. Your arms are looking big, bro.
Thanks, man. Wheaties.
Yeah, so she Dubs had a little parker brake issue, you know, so we just gave her the old snip, got rid of that, you know. She was holding these things up, dragging them. No good. No fat women in the back of this thing at TROG, right? This bed's gonna collapse. Oh my God. Maybe that'll be a goal.
You guys have any fat bitches in here to get?
We'll see how many fat bitches we can hold until the bed collapses down. Nothing against fat women. You know, fat women need some loving too. I'm all about it. Not really too much going on here today. But we do need to go get the honch finished up. Gotta get those heads off. Oh, I had a tick. So I ordered lifters from Napa. And we gotta go get them. Unless they're gonna deliver, I don't know. I gotta call them. Interrupted again by this garbage.
Grab my glove.
Bro, you can't even get your oil filter off.
Shut the fuck up. Grab me the glove.
No swearing in my vlog.
Get the glove.
You can't even get your oil filter off. What are you?
I got it off.
I'll give you. Oh, you want a glove? Lauren, your boyfriend's got girl hands.
That's a fun girlfriend.
Kid puts water in his engine. But you copied me. You copied me, bro. Hey, you copied me. You want me to start it? You want me to start it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna start it.
Vlog, bro. The vlog's the oil. It's the vlog.
Dirty.
He's checking his oil.
I'm just checking his oil, bro. Lifters.
Hold it.
Alright, she's in.
Ian?
Yo, be in there. Grab my intake. Intake, stat. Got it. Done.
Yeah, it does.
Yo, I had to take
This
it.
thing? It's better
Yeah,
than the
that's
hits.
what we needed, brother.
Oh, got it.
Yeah. By the way, I had to pop the head back off because I totally messed it up. Man, I didn't put both dowels in like an idiot, and she wasn't lined up. You know, you learn that shit hard. All right, give me the intake.
Intake.
Oh, that's not the intake.
Flux capacitor. Give me that.
This is the final stages. Dun dun dun.
Dun, dun, dun.
Here, let me just pull this out of the way for you.
Dun, dun, dun.
Just slide her on in.
Drop my.
Oh, thank God I got aluminum, because that sugar mama was heavy that first time. What's up with this?
That don't look good.
That don't look good. What's going on up here? Grunt, what happened?
You done fuck. What'd you do, bud?
Oh no, the gasket moved.
No,
Here,
not
grab-
again.
Grab this thing. Oh, intake. It's so light. It's so easy. It's not easy to light. Take this.
Got it. Flux capacitor.
Oh.
It's like a fucking
Yo,
morning
let me get
coffee.
my drop hitch. Alright, yeah, I didn't snap it in. Both sides. There we go. Now we in the game.
Hard.
Hard.
Looks like your wiener, don't it? Black and curved.
That's much better.
Beautiful.
Is where this thing goes? I don't know. Just send it.
It's sending.
Fully send it. They're all the same size. Feed them to me, baby. Feed them to me, baby.
Don't get it dirty.
Oh, she's gonna get dirty, baby. Forget about that.
Get some little dick skinners on her.
Yeah. No swearing in the vlog, bro.
I said dick skinners.
Dick skinner.
My dad told me to get my dick skinners off of everything.
My mom said I could be whatever I could be when I grow up.
So I became a professional retard.
Hell yeah, brother. Yo, if you hit my Infinity, you owe me a new car. If you hit my Infinity, you owe me a new car.
Go ahead.